How to clear cache on Android. Clearing the cache can help improve performances and free up storage on your Android device. Here's how you can do it. First of all, launch Open Settings on your device. Now you want to scroll down a bit and then find the option of Apps. Select that. Now scroll down and select the app where you want to clear cache. Now tap on Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. You can do this for all the applications or application that you use the most. Next, you want to head back and here select Battery and Device Care. Then you want to find the option of Memory. Select that. Here you will find the option of Clean Now. Go ahead and select that. This is also going to remove all the temporary files. Now head back and tap on Storage. Here, if you find the option that says Free Up Space, tap on that. It's going to clear the temporary files and raw files. In this way, you can easily clear cache on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.